Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics of preparing your ribeye. Bringing it to room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, ensures it cooks evenly from edge to center. Patting it completely dry is crucial for that beautiful, crispy crust we all love. Then, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. Now, let's talk about the sear. Heat your cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly, then add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil like avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your ribeye in the hot pan and sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes. This creates that incredible, flavorful crust that locks in all the juices. After searing, we'll finish the steak in the oven to reach that perfect medium well-doneness. Transfer your ribeye to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking until the internal temperature, measured with a reliable meat thermometer, reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a juicy, slightly pink center with no red. The final, and arguably most important, step is resting your steak. Once it's off the heat, let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked ribeye against the grain for the most enjoyable eating experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.